Hi, this is Steve again from Mountain Wind Trading Company, here to show you our all-in-one charge controller board. It's completely pre-wired. Comes with the HVA 440 charge controller that is good for wind and solar applications, and it's capable of handling up to 440 amps or 10,000 watts. Very easy to hook up. You can get this in 12 or 24 volt for a 24 volt system, and it's strictly off-grid. You can get it with or without an inverter. Put the inverter of your choice on there if you would like to. This is the complete all-in-one charge controller board, and you see your diversion load right here for your wind turbines. Once your batteries are at full capacity, it diverts the load from your wind turbines into the resistor bank. Okay, let's turn this thing on, see what it'll do. You can hook up power tools to this, refrigerators, whatever devices that you need to run, as long as you match them up to the size of the inverter. Let's see how it works. And there you have it. So now this system is completely pre-wired and very easy to hook up. If you're going with a 12 volt system, you can hook these cables directly up to your negative and positive posts. If you're going with a 24 volt system, here we have two 12 volt batteries that are hooked up in series. Very easy to do. You go positive in with your leads off your charge control board, and negative into the negative side of the other battery, and then you simply jump the positive to the negative of each battery together. That cabin out in the woods that you can't get power to, many applications that this can be used for. The all-in-one charge controller board is completely pre-wired, very simple to hook up. All you do is take the positive leads from your charge control board, hook them up to the positive on your battery. The negative leads, hook them up to the negative on your battery. In this situation, we have a 12 volt system with two 24 volt system with two 12 volt batteries hooked in series. Positive in from the control board, the negative is jumped to the positive of the other battery, and then negative out to the control board, and that's it. Once again, I'm Steve with Mountain Wind Trading Company. You can find our products on eBay, and stick around. We will be giving more informational videos to help you set up your systems. This is Mountain Wind Trading Company, and we'll see you later.